The new Primastar is Nissan's latest mid-size panel van, based on the super popular NV300. It's well-equipped, cost-efficient and comfortable. This van has the potential to be your new perfect business partner. It comes with many options, which makes getting what you want easy. With a choice of body types, lengths, engines and trims, there's a Primastar for every situation. The all-new grille gives the Nissan Primastar modern style, which is accentuated further with the addition of DRL signature and full LED headlights. Here at Van Sales United Kingdom, we have been very excited about the next generation of the Nissan Primastar, so have put together a guide to the best features and what to expect when you purchase a new Nissan Primastar van. Now the Nissan Primastar van is back and better than ever, as a medium-sized van with a range of variants designed to match businesses' precise needs. Whether you need to prioritize passengers or cargo, the Nissan Primastar can help you out. Nissan has put a focus on driver assistance with the new model of Primastar, including options for automatic high beams, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The predecessor to the Primastar, the NV300, was recently updated with some tweaks, which have carried into the new Primastar. This includes a new front bumper, slimmer headlights that are more energy efficient and a new radiator grille.